everybody and welcome back. I'm excited to share with you my new kit for February. Now this has been released a little bit later than I intended. I did want to release this at the end of last week, so it was out and ready for the 1st of February. However, I've recently changed jobs, so everything's just been a little bit hectic. Over the weekend I also changed internet provider, so that's kind of messed up a lot of my videos and things like that. So I thought rather than just stressing myself out about it, I will just let it go for a few days and release it midweek. So here we are. It's Wednesday, so I am releasing this kit today, so you'll be able to find it in my Etsy shop. So I'll show you the pages. So it's called Times Gone By, and it's a rather kind of eclectic vintage style kit. I really enjoyed putting this together and just finding old sort of bits and pieces that, like I said, it's eclectic. So it's just got lots of different old vintage antique type things, and it's all kind of like jumbled together, which you will see. So it's called Times Gone By, just to kind of remember the past and the history and the things that we all used to kind of love, and the families and all that kind of stuff. So we've got lots of handwritten elements. We've even got lots of photos in here, lots of old-fashioned frames, lots of different sort of torn, worn fabrics. But yeah, I like this kit. I've kept it a little bit grungy as well. We've got some grungy book pages here that are a great kind of journaling page or backing page because they're very plain. We've then got one with a vintage book cover that's been enlarged, so this could be great for, again, backing certain pages or using as your cover of the journal. We've got more backing pages. This one's got a bit of a floral, but also, again, that kind of grunginess as well to show its age. I really like this one because you've kind of got the different cabinet cubbies there. And I've put some little bits and pieces inside them, and I thought these would be good. So you've got teeny tiny little journaling spots. You could even journal straight on those, but I wasn't sure if some of them were a bit dark, which is why I've put these pieces of paper in there as well. And then this side is purely for journaling. Then we've got similar on this side, so we've got a journaling side, and then we've got a decorative side, so just lots of different photos there. Then this one, it's partially decorated but still has the lines for journaling and some of the floral patterns up the sides. And again, that photo of that lady with the typewriter. Very similar page, but now opposite, so the florals are in the middle, but you've got some writing space on the side and some faux stitching. We've got another collage-y type page, but again, some areas for journaling as well. Again, some journaling pages, lots of spaces to write, but still lots of that kind of grunginess in the background as well. Same with this page. And similar with this one. So again, you've got spots for journaling and writing as well. So they're all of the journal pages. We then come on to the ephemera. So we've got different pockets here. So again, some of them are elements that we've seen in the kit already, just so that obviously they all go. We then have an envelope that has that gorgeous sort of handwriting on. We've got an enlarged key, and then I think it's a brooch actually on there as well. We've then got a tall skinny file folder, and then I've done this half of the page in this paper because I thought this would be great for either backing in there or for using inside, so it's like pages that you could fold up to use inside of the folder. But yeah, we've got that, and that's obviously got lots of the different bits and elements from the kit as well. And then we've got some different cut aparts, so we've got some words up at the top, lots of little sort of journaling cards and tickets, and another one again with some journaling cards, some other bits that you can cut out. We've got a beautiful floral frame, and then we have a page of tags, and they're all the same size. I haven't done different sizes this time. Normally I do a little bit of variation, but I didn't with this particular kit. So there are 18 pages in this kit. It is available now in my Etsy shop, and it also has a 25% off for the month of February. As usual, there will also be weekly challenges and freebies. So those will start on Sunday, which I believe is the 9th of February. But I thought I'd release the kit now so that people have a chance to kind of purchase it and get ready for the challenges. But they all start on Sunday. And of course, there'll be a video where I'll share the freebies and share the challenge with you on Sunday. I really hope that you like this kit. My design team have it and will be working on it as well, so make sure that you are following them so you can be inspired by what they create. I have got a link tree down below with all of their links if you want to go and find them. If you are new to the channel, I would love for you to become a subscriber, so click that subscribe button and the bell, and then you're notified of any new crafty videos. That includes obviously all the challenges and things that I do for this kit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.